Hello, nice to meet you again and welcome to continuous of Cần Thơ radio and television station. Hashtag today. A conference to thoroughly grasp and implement new documents of the Central on the Party Building Organization. A working session with key officials of the Organization Board of the City Party Committee on many key tasks in the organization of the party building in 2023. Leaders of Cần Thơ City came to Rio Survey a site to prepare for a groundbreaking ceremony of VSIP Vĩnh Thành Industrial Park. Top news. On the morning of February 17, the Party Central Committee held a conference to thoroughly grasp and implement new documents of the Central on the Party Building Organization. Ms. Trương Thị Mai, Politburo member, Secretary of Party Central Committee (RPCC) and head of the BCC's Commission for Mass Mobilization, chaired the conference. In Cần Thơ City location, Mr. Lưu Quang Mạnh, a member of the Party Central Committee, Party Secretary of the City Party Committee, who is also head of Cần Thơ City National Assembly delegation, attended.
Documents that have been thoroughly grasped and implemented include Regulation Number 96 of 2023 of the Politburo on taking votes of confidence for leadership and management positions in the political system, Regulation Number 97 of 2023 of the Politburo on functions, tasks, powers, organizational structure, working relationships of the party corps and the party cadres committee at the central government, Guideline Number 3 of 2022 of the Secretariat Committee on the piloting of online party activities at grassroots party committees, party cells with specific characteristics or special circumstances, and party activities according to party groups. Guidance Number 22 of the Central Organization Committee on some contents in recruiting office workers, officials of party agencies, Vietnam Fatherland Front, and social political organizations.
On the afternoon of February 16, Secretary of Cần Thơ City Party Committee Lê Quang Mạnh had a working session with key officials of the Organization Board of the City Party Committee on many key tasks in the organization of party building in the year 2023. The head of Cần Thơ City Party Committee noted the collective staff of the Organization Board of the City Party Committee shall continue to advance on the arrangement and consolidation of the organizational apparatus of the political system from the city to the grassroots to be streamlined and effective. He has advised on the effective implementation of central directives on payroll management, implemented synchronously following the process, regulations, fairness, objectivity, closeness, and caution in each stage of staff work, will perform the work of reviewing and supplementing the planning of leaders and managers at all levels of the city. Study support policies for cadre civil servants and public employees sent for training, retraining, and rotation. Implementing the chain of working positions for cadres, office workers, and public employees in the political system, contributing to the effective implementation of socio-economic development, social defense and security goals, the party and political building system of the city in the year 2023 and following years. Standing Vice Secretary of Cần Thơ City Party Committee Phạm Văn Hiểu and Vice Chairman of Cần Thơ City People's Committee Nguyễn Thực Hiện on February 16 came to Rio Survey a site to prepare for a groundbreaking ceremony of VSIP Vĩnh Thành Industrial Park.
The survey and inspection site is located on National Highway 80. This is the location where a temporary road is expected to open to the site of the groundbreaking ceremony of VSIP Vĩnh Thành Industrial Park. Currently, Vĩnh Thành District People's Committee has completed the investment procedures and hired a consultant to design the route. The procedures for opening the bidding package for design consultancy, construction drawings, and cost estimates are also implemented to start construction in early April this year. The delegation also came to survey the location that has been determined to implement the resettlement project on 20 hectares to serve the work of site clearance for the industrial park. The project of connecting the road from the road leading to Vam Cống Bridge to the industrial park has also been implemented quite well. Up to the present, the Center for Land Fund Development of the city and Vĩnh district have completed the measurement and tally of land, houses, building structures, plants and animals of households and individuals affected.
The inspection team to assess the hospital quality in the year 2022 of the Department of Health of Cần Thơ City on February 16 came to inspect and evaluate the quality of hospital at Hòa Hảo Medic Cần Thơ General Hospital. As a result, the average score of the hospital's criteria reached 3.93 per 5 points, up 0.05 points from 2021. The hospital's quality rating is 4 stars. Of these, outpatient satisfaction is 99.78%, 4.79 per 5 points. Inpatient satisfaction is 100%, 5 per 5 points, and health worker satisfaction is 92.79%, 4.45 per 5 points. According to the plan, from now to mid-March, the city's Department of Health will set up quality inspection teams at all 20 specialized and general hospitals under the department's management and 6 private hospitals in the area. We turn to other news. On the morning of February 17, Cần Thơ Department of Science and Technology held a meeting with science and technology enterprises in the city in 2023.
At the meeting, the Department of Science and Technology informed businesses about relevant mechanisms, policies, and preferential policies in the operation of science and technology enterprises. Leaders of the department and specialized departments and units under the department have discussed with science and technology enterprises the difficulties in production and business of science and technology enterprises in the past time, proposing measures to remove difficulties and develop science and technology enterprise in the coming time. On this occasion, the city's Department of Science and Technology awarded the Certificate of Science and Technology Enterprise to Run Together Sport Technology Joint Stock Company, signing the agreement on technology transfer of electron exchange into RO system in drinking water production between the Center for Application of Science and Technology Advancement and Saigon Tây Đô Beverage Joint Stock Company, and the signing of an evaluation consultation agreement price testing between the Center and Hana Gold Technology Corporation Ltd.
In the year 2022, Cần Thơ Sponsoring Association for Poor Patients held many humanitarian programs to care for and serve poor patients with an amount of more than 45 billion Vietnamese đồng.
In particular, the Sponsoring Association for Poor Patients has spent over 4 billion Vietnamese dongs for 6 humanitarian target programs. The program brings light, providing wheelchairs and tricycle chairs for the disabled, helping poor children with congenital heart disease, for the smile of a child, free medical examination in medicine, free health advice, and gifts for poor patients. Some programs help poor patients with extremely difficult circumstances according to humanitarian addresses. In addition, spending over 39 billion dongs on building rural bridges, serving food for poor patients at hospital, etc. In 2023, the unit strives to organize eye surgery for 500 people, donated 150 wheelchairs and 20 wheelchairs, organized 8 rounds of free drugs distribution.
A quick check on weather condition. That's all for Cần Thơ News of Cần Thơ Radio and Television Station. Thanks so much for your attention. Please visit us on website kenthtv.vn. Bye for now.